shit, a fox. Wow, first time I've ever seen a fox. Hiking anyways. I don't know if it picked it up. GoPro's kind of zoomed out, you know what I mean? It's not like the depth perception, it's kind of off, but first I thought it was a squirrel, man. I was like, oh, squirrel. It was a huge fox. That was cool. It was a trip. I don't know if he has a den right there. He might have a den back in the rocks or something. That's crazy though, that's vertical. That's literally vertical, and he, no problem, ran right up. Huh. I wonder if all that poop with the berries is fox or coyote, I don't know. I know there's a little river, or not a river, like a little creek. I don't know, but it should be flowing right now, right down here. So it might